Do you believe in the power of manifestation? That if you pursue your desires with whole heart, the universe will unite and make it happen for you? Like winning contests over and over again? But is it possible to win thousands of contests without fail? Indeed, Helen achieved this feat not merely once or twice, but a staggering 5,000 times. How did she manage to achieve something like this? Let's delve into her astonishing narrative. Helen Hadsell, once a homemaker like many of us. Later, she worked as an assistant for Jose Silva, the mind control author and a pioneer in mind development program. While working with Jose, she learned about manifestation and mind control. This led her to win every single contest. Then she entered, securing exclusive prizes including cash, furniture, kitchen appliances, bikes, boat trips, and even a 4,300 square feet home. Manifestation in the 60s was not so much of a popular idea, and even many mental experts were skeptical about its mere existence. But people like Helen demonstrated the undeniable power of such ideas. Helen was fascinated by Jose Silva's idea of that you can have anything you want provided you know what it is and visualize yourself having it. This marked a turning point for Helen for harnessing the power of manifestation. She achieved her desires constantly by asking, what else do I want? What more I can achieve? She became a living testament of the power of self-belief. Helen traveled globally, sharing her secrets of success. Through her specific method, she was able to leverage the power of manifestation. As Helen outlined, first, select clearly and choose your desires. Then project visualizing your goals vividly. This increases their likelihood of realization. Next, expect a conviction that nothing can block your success if you fully invest in your pursuit. And finally, understanding setbacks are just temporary delays while maintaining a positive perspective by following the specific method. Helen won over 5,000 contests, demonstrating the power of human intention and thoughts. She repeatedly witnessed the power of manifestation because she truly believed in it and herself. So what's holding you back from manifesting your dreams? Share this inspiring story and subscribe to Silva Method for more such contents.